In this video, I will guide you on how to stop Instagram Reels auto sound. Now, Instagram does not have a permanent single toggle native switch to completely disable autoplay or sound. So in this video, I'm going to show you some workarounds. First, you want to launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and get to data usage and media quality option. Go ahead and toggle on the option of data saver. Enabling data saver stops the app from aggressively preloading videos and audio files in the background while you are on cellular network. Next thing you want to do is head over to the Reels tab. Now pause the video, then above the pause button, you will have the volume button. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you tap on it at the start of opening the video, now all the other reels will be muted. So in this way, you can easily stop Instagram Reels auto sound. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.